take a look at this marram grass. Have you stopped to consider how it might be adapted for its environment? It lives in a particularly dry environment, and we would call marram grass a xerophyte. Now, you need to know all about this for your A-levels, so let's break it down so you can feel confident for your exams. Now, xerophytes are adapted for these dry environments. One of the main challenges that they face is water loss. So to reduce that water loss, they have a range of adaptations. Firstly, they have their stomata in sunken pits. The stomata are not exposed on the lower epidermis of the leaf. This means that a high concentration of water vapor builds up around the stomata, reducing the concentration gradient between the outside and the inside, reducing the evaporation of water. The leaves are also curled. This curling helps to cover those stomata, or kind of embed those stomata deeper into the leaf, again trapping the water vapor around that underside of the leaf, reducing the concentration gradient and so reducing the evaporation of water. Other examples of xerophytes are cacti, and now cacti, they don't really have many stomata at all. Instead of having large, broad leaves that would have lots and lots of stomata, they don't have any leaves. Instead, they have their spines or thorns instead. And at the base of those spines, that is where you will find the stomata. Having fewer stomata reduces the amount of gas exchange taking place. Other adaptations include a thick, waxy cuticle to prevent water loss and fewer leaves in total, generally a smaller body size. Also, the roots are going to extend very, very wide. They're going to have very broad roots and very deep roots to be able to access as much water as possible. Now, if you want to know more about the different adaptations of lots of different organisms for their environment, as well as anything else for your A-levels, you've got to give us a follow, because we're going to break down everything you need.
Want more exam practice like this? Well, link in my bio to join my exam masterclass. It's £59 for 16 hours of live lessons. Just select your subject and fill in your details. See you there.